Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So, today I want to share how I practice English speaking every day. And trust me, if you practice like this, so you will definitely be able to speak English confidently and automatically. You all know my grammar isn't perfect, right? But I am still improving, all because of regular practice. So, you have to practice speaking English when you have, if you are alone at home. So, don't worry that I don't have partner for speaking because it's not needed. If you want to learn English, so you just speak out loud, whatever comes in your mind. Just speak and practice regularly. You see the result that what you have done really. So, my dear friend, are you ready to practice with me? Yes, of course, you are. So, let's practice 12 tenses. Why I'm saying like this? Because when I started learning English, so I made a mistake. You know, I just listen uh, every broadcast. Uh, I just listen what they're saying and just speak. But when I started real conversation with tutors, then I realized how many mistakes I did. Really, because I really don't know grammar's rule. So, but I just start speaking what I know, the words, English words, and just speak. But missing uh, grammar's helping rules. Yes. So I would say you just have practice uh, first of all with the grammars, or you learn all the tenses because it's very important part when you start learning English. And just it's just 12 tenses. First of all, you just focus on 12 tenses, and it's very easy. So practice with me how I practice. So you also do like this and you follow this method. Okay, so let's start. I cook every day. I am cooking. I have cooked. I have been cooking for 2 hours. I cooked. I was cooking. I had cooked before you came. I had been cooking for 10 minutes before you arrived. I will cook. I will be cooking. I will have cooked. I will have been cooking for 2 hours. See, it's so easy. And don't worry about making mistakes. When you learn these 12 tenses, you can automatically make sentence using these tenses. Yes, my dear friend. So start learning with grammar and don't worry that what people say about you. Okay, they will always be criticizing you. They will always say that your English is very poor and you have grammatical mistakes. You are making mistakes, so don't speak in English and don't talk with me in English because your English is not good. So don't listen anybody. You just focus on yourself because I know I why I'm saying like this because I faced all these problems. Yes, so I understand what you feel that time and you just stop, right? So don't worry and you just say, see, I am learning English, so I just speak with you. If I am making mistakes, so you just correct me, you feel free to correct me. So it's not good, right? So you have to improve yourself. Okay, and don't see others, don't compare to others. Okay, and when you start practicing like this, you learn all these tenses. think about yourself. Because when you start learning grammar and you work on these 12 tenses, so my dear friend, you uh, level up your English. So if you are learning English like this, and you completely learn all the 12 tenses, so you definitely you will level up your English. Trust me, and it's working. For example, like me. So my dear friend, so don't underestimate to yourself. When you learn grammar, after that you have to focus on your vocabulary, because when we start conversation with someone, so two things are very important. First, grammar, and second, vocabulary. Because if you know automatic grammar and you know vocabulary, so trust me friend, you start conversation, and everybody shocked when you speak with someone, because only two things you have to practice on it, only two things, and you will be able to conversation with tutors or anyone. So I will see you in the next video. Okay, so keep practicing and keep learning. Thank you for watching.